I'm MC Shabana and I'm at a very exciting place. It's called Sailors 16 Cafe. I would like you to come here and try them out. They're amazing. The ambience is really good. After seeing the place, I thought that you should definitely see it on my video first. So I'm taking a video, and also I will introduce you to a few amazing people who started this place. It just started 3 months ago, and this is on New Bell Road. So let's go inside and check out the place. This is the Meow counter. Where is Meow? He's gone inside. Okay. So yes, we will be meeting him shortly. But this is a place where you get coffee, tea. I'm guessing. Okay, so let me introduce you to the man who has started this place, Mr. Naveen. Okay, why don't you come here, Mr. Naveen? Yeah, so that I can get a little help in introducing the place and also showing it around. Yes, so God se dekho is aadmi ko. So he is the person who runs the place. Are you here all the time?
Yes.
Yes. So if you guys come here, please spot him and take 10% discount. Saying you are here from MC Shabana, okay? Use my name. Okay, so now this is a place where you get your beverages. I can only see coffee.
You will get all the stuffs: waffle, milkshake, thick shake, and coffee.
So yeah, why don't you come in and actually show the place? They have nice sand, kind of thing going on, and the furniture is very nice. And let me introduce you to Mr. Meow. He handles the counter. Come here. नहीं दिखेगा नहीं, शक्ल नहीं दिखेगा, शक्ल दिखनी चाहिए.
No, he looks very handsome.
हाँ, I know. So yes, this is his real name is not really Meow.
Somehow only my name is not.
Huh? What is
His
your
name
name?
is Maddie. We call him Meow. He likes him to be called Meow.
What is your name?
Madan.
मदन. Yes, मदन मैडी. तो इनको भी गौर से देखिएगा. ये भी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होंगे. डिस्काउंट चाहिए तो MC शबाना के थ्रू आए हैं तो ये पूछ के इनसे बात कीजिएगा. And this is his counter which he kind of
He handles this session.
Yeah, and it is beautiful. It is even continued this side. You can see this is like a very beautiful lighting and ambience with amazing sand. If you want to go to a beach without going to a beach, come here. Yes, let's go inside. So you get hookah and you have hookah, desserts, food, sizzlers, a lot of other things from this area onwards, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I was.
We don't serve hookah outside. We serve hookah in all the sessions possible inside.
Yes. So what exactly is the theme? These are all boats?
No, this is a pirate theme which I have given.
Pirate theme.
Yes.
So this is so go se dekhiye, this is completely different. This was something where I was like, how do I get into this? First thing when I came inside, I was like, अंदर कैसे जाओ? खुद के जाना पड़ेगा क्या? I was like that. But this was so nice and interesting. This looks like small little boats.
Thank you.
Actually, yes, it looks like small little boats.
Actually, we wanted to give that kind of experience because in Bangalore you don't find anywhere beach. Or we have very little numbers of lakes and stuff like that. So that's the reason we thought let's start up with this one.
The lakes are there. This is completely different. When I came here, I was like, this is beautiful. The place looked amazing. Okay, it was so beautiful. It is one of a kind. I've not seen any place like this in Bangalore, and I can see how much of effort you put in just with the design and the ambience and also the aura that you created inside. Let's go on top, and there is more on top. So yeah, let's go to the next one. And here is like the kitchen.
Yes.
Do you want to give a kitchen tour?
We wouldn't mind.
Yeah, you wouldn't mind? Oh my god, amazing. Yes, please come in.
Our kitchen is very small. We keep it always neat and tidy. So he's our chef, Sarkar.
Hi, I have asked about the chef because I later on, after sitting here, found out the food was really nice. When I got my food, I ordered for fish sizzler. Yes, fish sizzler and Caesar salad, and also brownie with ice cream. That was also on a sizzler thing. I did not take pictures because I'm I'm a little bad at that. But I have the picture of the brownie. I'll be inserting that. Also, you've done a very good job. I was asking, and then I was told that you're from
Calcutta.
yes, Calcutta. So I was asking Vicky from where he has found you. That was an
That's
yeah.
a question you should ask Naveen.
Yes, I think yeah.
So I got to know about him from one of my partners.
So I was like, after doing all the work that they have done and the kind of food that they serve is just cherry on the top. And you should come here for the food. So this is the beautiful kitchen and amazing chef. Tan tan.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Let's go to the next floor now. A very pretty.
You should also introduce Bill, who's the
Yes.
manager.
Oh yes, we have a small little counter. And इस आदमी को देखो. He is Mr. Gill.
The
Full
manager.
name? Gill?
Right hand.
I think Gill is fine.
Sorry, I'm not able to get your name. I'm so sorry.
Fine.
This is very bad. Nahi. But yeah, this is the manager. This place has a handsome manager, guys.
Gill,
All the
the
girls
manager.
can come here.
Gill, you should be
So,
training
are you married?
tomorrow.
Are you married? Hi.
Yes, you are.
बस देखने के लिए आना. लड़कियाँ बस देखने के लिए आना. It's available for watching only. Okay, let's go now. Come on.
Sorry, Gill, I broke your heart.
Yeah. So this is the first floor. This has a very beautiful lighting, amazing paintings, and my favorite pirate. There.
Jack Sparrow.
Yes. I can
Johnny Depp.
like yes, Johnny Depp. I can die for it. Come on. So you have another area here. That's a smoking zone. I'm guessing. That's a smoking zone.
Yes, this one we have kept it for only couples. They're planning to just remove this one
Okay.
and make a small terrace here so that they can sit, have a candid dinner.
Oh, please show. This is for couples. It will be changing in some time, and it looks really beautiful. So you can book this place, come here, sit like a place for two and eat and enjoy your beautiful dinner, hookah, whatever. And this is the vegetarian section. Okay.
Yes.
So this is strictly veg, so people who are vegetarians also can come here and enjoy. And you have again small little boat-like things, and you have something nice here. You can enjoy the sound of the water and have a nice peaceful ambience around you. And let's go to the next floor, or we have the
No, everything, the section that we said.
yes, this is the same floor. So now the veg section is over. This is the non-veg section. My favorite section of the place. So you have again little boats and hi, you guys are enjoying hookah. Yes, what flavor have you ordered? Silver Fox. So how you guys stay around here? How did you discover the place? हिंदी हिंदी तो आपको पता कैसे चला यहाँ के बारे में और यहाँ
हमारा दोस्त लोग आए थे
अच्छा
मेरा दोस्त और हमारे कॉलेज में पढ़ता है
अच्छा स्टूडेंट
स्टूडेंट मुझे बोला था यार अच्छा है
अच्छा
न्यू ओपन किया है
तो आप लोग भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो हाँ ठीक है अमेजिंग आपको पसंद आ रहा है you're enjoying that's lovely so let's move on to the next thing okay so we have another small little session here hi does this have a place name this corner has a name
This one's patio.
huh
Patio. This one's
this is a patio
No, this is the party hall.
party hall
Yes.
I'm having trouble understanding
Because they are from Northeast, they really have they have a thick accent.
आपने पूरा मतलब PhD किया है
उन लोगों के साथ हुआ एक साथ से, of course.
ठीक है this is a party hall
Just give me 1 minute. I'll give
yeah.
the rooftop.
You can book this place and come and party, is it? Okay. Hi guys. How's everybody doing? Are you all from the same college school? Looks like you all are friends.
Yeah, brothers.
Brothers and
He's my elder brother, he's my hobby.
oh. अच्छा रिएक्शन से तो नहीं लगता कुछ तो घोटाला किया है इसमें सही है अच्छा ठीक है अभी कंफर्म हो गया कोई नहीं यू आर नॉट इन ट्रबल होप यू गाइस एंजॉय योर टाइम हियर इज दिस द फर्स्ट टाइम यू आर हियर नो
We are regular customer.
हाय आप ऑलरेडी सब रेगुलर हो गए हैं नाइस Enjoy your time. Let's see you all later. So guys, we are on the rooftop. This is still under construction and it will be ready in 15 days from now. But it depends on when you see the video. Probably by then it should be ready. This is a very new place. So we have this amazing ambience going on here with this proper nice wooden furniture, and we have blue lights that side. Again, sticking to the theme that looks a lot like a boat, like that side. The furniture, the benches look a lot like a boat. And then you have this side as well. You will have lights under the tables and chairs, and then all this will be an open area. And I'm looking forward to you guys coming here and actually enjoying the rooftop
With the music.
with the music and with Naveen. Spot that man, okay?
I'll
Achhi
definitely
dikha tera.
Music on demand.
Yeah, and then you can also dedicate your favorite songs to favorite people, probably. Music on demand, that's what he meant. Yes. So you guys must come here. This is on New Bell Road. It is called Sailors 16. Okay, please Google Sailors 16. This is on New Bell Road, and you will find the map and everything that you have to see. And the menu is amazing. You have hookah, different flavors, and then you have non-veg and veg food, sizzlers and salads to milkshakes to coffee and everything. So guys, make sure you come and check this place out. Thank you. Bye.